Aloha everyone. So today I'm back recording at my house in Lahaina for the first time since the fire. Now, for the last 2 years, I've been renting it to a family that lost their homes in the fires through the FEMA Direct Lease program. Those tenants just moved out and FEMA didn't have anyone else to place in the home, so now we're looking for the next great tenant, or we're open to sell it if we can find the right buyer. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full walking tour of the property so you can see what it looks like for yourself. Let me show you around. But before I show you the inside of the house, I want to give you some perspective on why I chose this particular location. We're in the Kahoma Village neighborhood, right in the middle of Lahaina town, and my house is about a block away from Front Street. And it's a short walk to Baby Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches on all of Maui. There is easy beach access at the end of the street here, and the last time I timed it, it's about 4 minutes from the time you leave the front door until your toes are in the sand. Baby Beach is sheltered by a shallow offshore reef that breaks incoming wave energy before it reaches the shore, creating exceptionally calm, flat water that's perfect for wading. This makes it one of Maui's most beloved spots for families with young children, paddleboarders, and anyone looking for a safe, serene place to swim or just to hang out on the beach. Okay, let's head back to my house and I'll walk you through the property. I wanted to start outside so you can see it is a 2-story standalone house. I do have the garage door open. It's a 2-car garage. So it does have some extra storage and the washer and dryer in the garage. Here's the driveway. And let's go take a look inside. Now it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. As you walk in the front door, you walk right into the living room area. All the windows do have blinds. The blinds in the living room are automatic, so you just push a button for them to go up and down. All the bedrooms are upstairs. We'll go take a look at that a little bit later. Great outdoor space. We'll come back to that as well. This contraption on the wall straight ahead of me here is a full gym. It's called a Tonal. Uses magnetic weights, and you can get a really great exercise in just a small space. Okay, walking into the kitchen and dining room area. I'll point out too that there is a split system AC in all the rooms. Stays nice and cool. We actually have 2 different zones, so we beefed up the AC system. This door leads to the garage. Of course, full kitchen, stainless steel appliances. There's some additional storage here underneath the stairs. And let's go take a look outside. So it's a really good size yard for this community. Completely finished, thoughtfully designed. Fully fenced in. Nice big space for just enjoying the beautiful weather here in Lahaina. And I'll also point out that right here, right about where the chair is, that's actually a space for a hot tub. We put extra reinforcing, extra footings below the decking here so it can easily hold a hot tub. We did have one there for a while, we just moved it. But it's all set up and ready to go. Okay, heading back inside. Let's go upstairs. There's a half bath. You'll see a powder room on the way up the stairs here. Now the first two bedrooms on the left-hand side are guest bedrooms. This one is set up as a guest bedroom with a pull-out couch. Second bedroom here we have set up as an office for now. Can easily be converted back to a third bedroom if somebody wanted. Here is the guest bathroom, single vanity, tub, shower, nice and clean. And the primary bedroom. Nice big room, large enough for a king bed. Again, notice the split system in all the rooms upstairs. Split system AC. And we do have a walk-in closet. Take a quick look at the master bathroom. So you see dual vanity. This one has a glass shower. I'll share a link in the description to the listing details where you'll find more photos, information, and pricing for the property. The house was just built in 2020, so it is relatively new and well cared for. So if you or someone you know is looking for a new, clean, and comfortable place to live in the middle of Lahaina that is also walking distance to the beach, feel free to reach out to me directly. The property is offered fully furnished, and like I said at the beginning of the video, we do have the flexibility to either offer it as a rental or sell it to the right buyer who wants to be a part of Lahaina's rebirth. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I hope to see you all on the next video. Aloha.